Restream.io is everything. If you're a YouTuber and you've been finding it difficult to get to 3,000 and 4,000 watch hour, Restream.io is the best app you can use right now. Hi, my name is Anthony Olu. I create amazing content about how to make money online. I've been asked about Restream.io, how legit and if YouTube support it, and I've done my research. I've gone through Restream.io and YouTube monetization level from Restream.io. I will say yes, YouTube encourage and supports and allow Restream.io. okay, one of my channels, I use Restream.io to get 4,000 watch hour and got the channel monetized. All right, but there's way to go about it. You try not to abuse this. Okay, you are meant to get videos that doesn't have watermark. Okay, I've made step-by-step tutorial video explaining how to get your videos, how to remove your video, the watermark from their videos, how to merge videos together, remove the original sound, put your own sound. That is basically you making the videos you got from that particular website, making it your own video, making it your own material. I've done step-by-step tutorial video on that. I'll be dropping the link on the description box of this video. Okay, so check the description box and get the link. Watch it over and over till you get all the detailed explain about Restream.io. One video, one Restream video can change your YouTube story today, and you start earning in dollars in no time. One Restream video, I have testimonies from my community, from my supporters. People have been monetizing their channel back to back using Restream.io. Very simple. If you doubt if YouTube support Restream.io, when you do Restream, YouTube will definitely block it if they don't support Restream.io. Okay, so when you ask, when you are skeptical, you are scared, yes, you have every right to be scared because you don't want your channel to have issues. The answer is yes, YouTube supports Restream.io. And the funniest part, if you start a channel today, you don't have 500 subscribers, you don't have much videos, you use Restream.io, you can get much views on your channel. What people don't get it right is this: most people get boring videos and want to run it on Restream.io, expect magic to happen. No, it doesn't work that way. Get interesting videos, get eye-catching videos, get videos that will make people ask what will be the next thing that will happen on this video. Okay, you see so many people bringing maybe fish in the ocean and animal on the land, bringing them together. You are confusing your audience. You are making your audience lost. You need to get interesting video, interesting, maybe one animal is fighting one animal. That will spark that curiosity. People will want to know which one won the fight, which one is the strongest, which one, you know, there are so many things. You can get pussycat versus snake. You can get so many animals, Commodore eating goats, you know, you can get so many different videos. Put them together. Let it be, if you are working on pussycat versus snake, let your videos be pussycat versus snake. Okay, I made a video on where you can get the free videos, how to remove the watermark. It's just a few step tutorials where you can get the videos, how you can remove the watermark, how you can merge the videos together, how you can remove the audio, the original audio of all the videos you downloaded from the website, from that page or app, and how to add your own sound to make it look real, to make it look catchy and entertaining. When you have entertaining video on Restream.io, within 5 hours of restreaming, I promise you, you will get large numbers of watch hour. It is a promise. Try this. Come back to this channel, subscribe if you find this video interesting and educating. Share this video, click on the bell notification so you get notified anytime I bring amazing content your way. Okay, very easy to get this. Get the videos from my comment description box, download, watch the videos, step-by-step tutorial. Don't rush, don't fast forward. Watch it step by step, how you can get the videos you need and the type of video. And using Restream.io, it's irrespective of your niche. You just want to cross the line of getting to monetization, which you have been on for the past years. You know, when you get to a year you've started YouTube, your watch hour will keep reducing. For it not to reduce, you need to create that amazing, interesting Restream video. Today, put it on loop, watch your video pull through for you. Okay? Just come back to this video, drop a comment if you are able to set it. I don't mind getting the videos for you and send across. All you need to do is to upload from your account and watch the magic unfold. All right, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're returning subscribers, thanks for always supporting what I do. See you guys on my next video. Cheers.